Hey y'all, what's up? So right now I'm working on a lesson plan. Any ideas on how to make it fun? I'll teach tomorrow. Hey! Woohoo! I'm nervous. My teacher's coming to watch me. And my kids have already learned this stuff. And so they're probably going to be really bored. But oh well. I have to write a research paper and write about 3 lesson plans. Because tomorrow I have my interview for student teaching. Happy birthday, Dad! You're 50. Whoop. 5 decades. Go you. You rock. Love you, man. Have a good day. Bye.